What's up mga kaparps, for today's video, another event hosting naman po tayo. This is my last event na nakabook po for 2025. Ayan, shoutout nga pala sa ating couple, si Ma'am Roslyn and si Sir Janmar Patis. Thank you so much for having me as your host in your most special day. Ayan po, sana po more bookings po tayo sa 2026. O din na guys, no, gi-operahan na gid atong katarak, no, so gitaon na to sa atong pampa-aesthetic, no, sa atong pananaw. Shoutout nga pala sa ating hair and makeup artist, si Josh. O karon kay Rizal Day mong kono, no, sa atong hair for today's video kay inspired by Jose Rizal na may kaunting Superman. Yan. Look, here I come!
Ladies and gentlemen, here's your host, Ray Ariel Degami.
And happiness in this most unforgettable moment. This is Janmar and Roslyn wedding celebration. Alright, thank you so much for the natin. Are you ready? Yan, energy. Palapakan po natin sila. Thank you so much for gracing this moment. And now, we will continue our game. So magka-play kitchen package, trip to Korea, ay, review niya sa layo. Self-care package. Buksan po natin ating Christine. Ano po ang laman ng mahiwagang self-care package na yan? Yay! Meron tayong pabango tsaka powder. Okay, maraming salamat. Oy, 1 million view lang yung ipunit. Okay, ano kayo? 1M. Ibuksan natin ang package. M stands for Milo Energy Drop. Dapat ang galing kitchen package, fitness package, and Crypto Korea. So, upat na lang yun. Kitchen package. What na ito? Okay, ang kitchen package natin ay may laman na silver swan.